How to close your account on eBay. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can close your account on eBay, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to close your account on eBay, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and just launch your browser and go to ebay.com, or you can also simply use the eBay application if that's comfortable for you. Once you go to ebay.com or your app, tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, then just go to help. Once you go to help option over here, you'll find the help search box, where in the search box you simply want to go ahead and type in something similar to closing your account. So just go ahead and type in closing account or deleting account. You'll find the article at the top that is closing your account. You want to make sure to just tap on the article here. Once you tap on this closing your account article, you'll be able to see all the details that you might need to know. You can go through them, but I'm going to scroll down, and here you'll find this blue button that says close your account. All you have to do is just make sure to tap on the close account option over here. Once you tap on the close account option, right over here you'll be able to select your reason as to why you are leaving. So just select your reason here, and then just go ahead and then basically agree to the terms and conditions. Select your reason, tap on I want to close my eBay account, tap on submit, and your eBay account will be successfully closed. This way you can close your account on eBay. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.